This wonderful box is the first two waves of Tooth and Coats. Mr. Bob Watts himself sent me this a couple of years ago to use for my painting events, and it's been holding up and replenished as we go. But the box itself has seen its better days. It's been to like over a dozen conventions, library classes, free comic book days, game store anniversaries. This box has been crammed in and out of a big plastic 20-gallon Tupperware more times than I care to admit. So let's just take a minute and respect this wonderful box. It's been taped back together a couple times now. It's doing its best. I think, let's see, one of these corners here is totally given out to... yeah, here it is. So you can see the bottom of the paint bottles. It's time to put our friend the box out to pasture. So, with that in mind, one, I organized this just like 2 weeks ago and the box gave out. So a bit of a bummer. The lovely Mrs. Dynamo has procured me this bad boy. So this is, I guess it's designed for aromatherapy, essential oils, whatever. But it is about the same size. It's got a couple of elasticy pockets up here, this lift out lid, and then boom, 120 spaces. The Tooth and Coats is 126 if you count the glazes last I checked. So it's not all going to fit. We're probably going to just sacrifice the glazes and leave those at home because at the most paint takes, I'm the only one using them anyway. I'm going to switch to some kind of time lapse and we're going to fill up the case now. But yeah, not bad. It's like 30 bucks, I think. I wish this was glued down, but whatever.
Check it out. Check it out.
You may notice a couple of gaps. I have run out of some of the colors over the years. We're waiting on a resupply, mostly of some greens. Some of the skin tones are pretty bare. Bright hot pink is one of the first things to go, but I think this is going to be a nice improvement. I'm curious how secure these are. So we're going to do something crazy. We're going to zip this thing up and shake it and see if anything comes loose. Yeah, I don't see why I wouldn't keep that in there. Three flip arounds seems fine. And let's take a look. Okay, they did not come loose. The foam moved a bit, but they didn't. Nothing's out of place. I may go back and glue that foam down. We'll see, because like it's really never going to be used for anything other than this. But for now, I don't plan to, shake it like that again. So I think we're in good shape. But yeah, if you need a paint solution that's somewhat mobile, this may be a great way to do it. Have a good night.